Okay, we're heating up here. And it looks like it stopped heating. Pressure switch is doing well, but lots of things going on here. We have a leaky here at a E61. Valves are probably worn. I got a bit of a leak here at the steam valve. Got a bit of a leak here at the vacuum valve. It's just worn stuff. You can see scale in lots of areas seeping out, especially at the heating element. I'm surprised that thing's still working, man. Okay, but yeah, this is a problem here. Okay, so there's definitely some work to be done on this.